Temporary construction access roads should aim for a manageable grade to keep heavy equipment safe and efficient. The thumb rule for construction access road grade of house construction is to keep slopes under 10 to 12% for temporary heavy equipment use, because steeper grades increase risk of equipment rollback and soil instability. When site conditions force steeper approaches, use a series of short switchbacks to reduce effective slope and allow safer machine maneuvering. Reinforce critical sections with a compacted crushed stone surface, and place a geotextile fabric underneath to separate subgrade and prevent pumping and deep rutting. Provide turnouts every 200 to 300 feet on longer runs, so machines can pass and to create level spots for staging and refueling. For very soft soils, consider a sacrificial timber mat or steel plate runways for tracked machines to distribute loads while preventing excessive ground disturbance. Always grade for positive drainage away from the house footprint and avoid concentrating runoff onto working pads, which can undermine the road and compromise safety. Common mistakes include pushing grades steeper than the job requires, which leads to stuck or sliding equipment. Correct this by redesigning the approach using switchbacks or temporary intermediate pads to break the slope. Another frequent issue is insufficient surface stabilization that causes deep ruts and washouts. Prevent that by installing geotextile underlayment, placing 3 to 6 inches of compacted crushed stone depending on soil strength and traffic frequency, and inspecting after storms. A third problem is lack of adequate turnouts and passing areas, which creates traffic bottlenecks and unsafe reversing maneuvers. Add regularly spaced turnouts and keep them sized to accommodate the largest machine on site. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who can build and maintain temporary construction access roads and solve site access grade challenges. We also help contractors find work and share know-how in our discussion community, where members exchange practical tips and lessons learned.